Crankshaft blanks are heavy and oily. Lifting them bin by bin onto the machine, one operator per station bending over again and again, capacity caps out at that pair of hands. How do you break it? 3 traps in crankshaft blank loading. Parts are heavy and the bead is tight, so manual lifting is slow and hard on backs. Many machines lock the man-machine ratio, so scaling first means hiring, and a misoriented or misgripped blank becomes a broken tool or scrap once it hits machining. This cell hands loading to an industrial robot. A heavy-duty gripper picks crankshaft blanks straight from the bin, positions them steadily, loads the station, and moves the finished part on, tireless, with no idle waiting. With vision-guided picking, blanks stacked unevenly in the bin are still found and gripped accurately. Model and orientation are verified on the spot, and a wrong-facing part is stopped before it reaches the next step. One robot tends a group of machines. What took one person per machine now takes one operator per cell. The beat handshakes with the machines, and loading runs around the clock without stopping. The payoff is direct. The man-machine ratio opens up, capacity scales. People leave the heavy, oily lifting, and scrap from misgripped or misloaded crankshaft blanks drops. Crankshafts, cylinder heads, blocks and balance weights, powertrain, and machining blank loading all drop into the same heavy-duty tending logic. Give the heavy work to the robot and put people on quality. This is EVST. We turn crankshaft blank loading into an unattended, continuous, error-proof standard process.